How to resolve Facebook temporarily blocked error. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, open up the settings of this device and then scroll down until you find the option of apps. Then tap on manage apps. So just tap on the option of manage apps and then you can search for the Facebook application on the search bar by typing, or you can scroll down to find the option of Facebook. So yeah, I'm just typing on the search bar, then tap on Facebook, and down there you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select that and then select on clear cache. Select OK. Now go back and scroll down the notification center, and there you can see the option of airplane mode. So just turn it on and off for some seconds and repeat the same steps for 2 to 3 times. After that, what we can do is go to the Facebook and restart it and log in again. If this does not work, then you can also take help from the Facebook help and support team. Now, if this also doesn't solve your issue, then you can restart your phone again and this might solve the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.